What's up everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be restoring headlight using common stuff that I usually have in my shed. There's special kits that they put together so you can restore your headlights, but I think they're not needed. In a previous video I showed you how to restore headlights using sanding paper and clear coat, but some people commented saying that maybe clear coat will not last as long. So in this video I'll show you how to restore it using a polishing compound. In here I have the Meguiar's Ultimate Compound. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna clean up the surface and then wet sand it and then clean it with rubbing alcohol, and then we're gonna polish it. So I have here a soft sanding grit. I have 800 and I have 70% rubbing alcohol, and I have Meguiar's Ultimate Compound, and I have just plain water, and this is a microfiber towel so I can apply the Meguiar and clean throughout the process. But you can use an applicator pad for the polishing compound. So as you can see, this headlight is pretty yellow. It's scratched up and it really needs to be restored. Some people will say maybe you can replace it, but I like to save money and fix the stuff that I already have. It may not look as bad on camera, but it is really yellowed and foggy. Maybe you can see here how bad it is. So we're gonna get started, and I'll show you how good it's gonna come out. Okay, so first thing, I'm gonna clean out the surface. So I'm gonna just spray it down, wipe it just to get the loose dirt and the dust off of it, so we don't wet sand these into the surface. So I'm just gonna give it a good clean. So now I'm gonna grab my sandpaper and I'm gonna start wet sanding, but I wanna keep the surface very, very wet all the time so I don't gouge it. Okay, so with that being wet, I'm gonna start sanding. Okay. I'm gonna sand the entire headlight. I'm gonna keep it wet throughout the process. Look at all the stuff that we sanded off the headlight lens. All that must come off. So I'm gonna hit it with the water right now and drive all that stuff off the headlight. Okay, that looks good. So I'm gonna sand again until none of that stuff comes off the headlight lens. Okay, so now I sanded more, but none of the stuff came off. So I know I'm done sanding, so I'm just gonna clean the surface now and then wipe it with rubbing alcohol and then apply the polishing compound on it. Okay, so I have the rubbing alcohol here. Okay, I'm gonna wipe the headlight. Okay, so that's exactly what you're looking for, a layer that looks like it's hazed up and dull, and it looks like it's one layer all around. So as you can see, after wet sanding it, it's just bare plastic, so When we sand, we create a very micro small scratches that help us get off the dirt and the yellow stuff off the headlight. But after that, we want to fill on all these crevices and all these scratches, so that's why we polish. So right now it's time to polish. Let's get started on that. So again, here I have a microfiber towel. You can have a applicator pad, same thing. I'm just gonna put it on here, and I'm just gonna start applying it until until the headlight looks good and I like it. So now you want to wipe the headlight with the clean side of the towel. Check this out, it's coming out great. Okay. And check this out. I think it looks amazing. Look at that. You can see everything inside the headlight. It is shiny and looks great and amazing. And that is definitely the results that you're looking for. I mean, it wasn't terrible to begin with, but it definitely needed. And this is a side shot. Look how clear and clean this lens is now. So some people told me that the clear coat may not last long enough, but I'm pretty sure this will last for a long time. I mean, it's amazing. Look at that. What a cosmetic difference that you can give to your car, make it look so much better. And this is a lot safer to drive with at night. It lets so much light go through, and it's not a safety hazard. So if your headlights are hazed up, definitely this will help you out, and it's great results. It took me like what, 10 minutes, and all what you needed is a rubbing polishing compound and rubbing alcohol, sandpaper, and water, and that is it. And look at the results. It is just amazing. So this is the method I wanted to share with you guys. Hopefully it helps someone out. If it did, please give it a big thumbs up. Please subscribe. If you have a comment, let me know what do you think of this, and I will catch you guys in the next one.